Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 269. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 covering both of these boxes, so our 4 must be here. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing an 8. And for this row, we're missing a 1. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering this box and an 8 covering this box, so our 8 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 5 here, so 2, 3, 3 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 covering this box and a 2 covering this box, so our 2 must be here. Got a 5 here, so 8, 5. And for this box now, we're missing a 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 7. I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this top row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 3, 5. And that 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.